Welcome to Adventure Life with Bob. Our next adventure takes us to chicken corners, including Hoorah Pass. Access to Hoorah Pass and Chicken Corners is right in the middle of town on Cane Creek Road. You'll turn west, right next to the McDonald's. Follow that for about 4.5 miles, where the asphalt will end. This is a very easy trail for the Hoorah Pass part and has some great scenery. The trail gets a little more difficult once you go over the top of Hoorah Pass, and even though a high-profile two-wheel drive vehicle might be able to probably make it, I still recommend four-wheel drive. Make sure you bring your camera. The scenery is spectacular. Now sit back and enjoy Hoorah Pass and Chicken Corner. After about 9 miles, you'll hit Hoorah Pass. Get out and enjoy the view. From here on, the road gets much worse. Bumpier, boulders. Again, I recommend four-wheel drive. Just under 2 miles from the junction of Jackson Hole Trail and the start of the Chicken Corner Trail, you'll find Catacomb Rock. It's worth taking a few moments and explore this fascinating place. We walked around till we got to the backside and found an easy entrance in. A couple of miles down the road, you'll come to the junction of Lockhart Basin and the Chicken Corner Trail. Be sure to bring a rubber chicken to hang on the sign. That seems to be the local custom. You'll know it when you come to Chicken Corner, because the Colorado River will be about 6 feet to your right and about 500 feet straight down. Chicken Corner got its name because many passengers would stop and walk. For your information, the closing scene of the movie Thelma and Louise was filmed just on the other side of the Colorado River. Here we are coming back through Chicken Corner. Just a couple hundred yards from Chicken Corner, we noticed this monument and pulled off to take a look. It says that Joseph Hill Johnson, the deputy sheriff, died on this spot on December 30th, 1927. In my mind, I imagine this sheriff going down in a hail of bullets with outlaws, but in reality, his horse stumbled and fell and he died. If you enjoyed our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Adventure Life with Bob. Leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.